Scratch that moment with Cloud9. Take a bite of luscious caramel. Crunchy peanuts, soft nougat, wrapped in rich chocolate. Loaded with Cloud9 goodness. Enjoy that Cloud9 moment.
Hey guys, kung manonood kayo, nandito yung mga videos natin yung pinapanood natin. Ito na yung game. Yan yung trailer ng Doraemon. Yan yung pinanood ko dati, nung bata ako. So, wag mo na ako magsalita ngayon.
Ang susunod na programa ay rated G. Ito ay pwede sa lahat ng manonood.
Here we go, bro. Final big boss battle against Dr. Autobahn Octofeed.
I know, but Leon, it's gonna have to wait.
What? Why?
Did I tell you?
Ayan yung pinapanood ko kanina, ngayon na yan. Ngayon lang yung pinapanood ko nito.
Oscar got a job?
Ito yung inedit ko. Bagong episode.
Think you want a job? You have a job.
Ito yung isang Coca-Cola story. Coca Life story.
A real grown-up. I think I'm
Maraming cartoons yung Coca Life story, pero inedit ko to.
You can come to work as my assistant today. But working is no joke. It's a lot harder than your video games. Let's go.
Yan na.
Okay, this is your standard.
Yan na yung kagawa ng mama niya, pero ang pangalan niya ay Corin.
Problemo.
Tinawag ni Leon ang mama niya ay Corin. Nahulog yung pants niya.
You are doing it right.
Ang kaso lang, nakakanood ko yan, kanina pa.
Oh,
Kanina
your first hair cloud.
ko. Nasa Pilipinas kayo ngayon, pero nakakanood ko lang yun ngayon.
Ready for the next job?
Kahit ngayon, isa na ako malaking bata. Kaso lang, ito na yung video ko yung dinidiscuss ko kanina. Ito na yun, yung pinapanood ko sa YouTube. Wag naman yun. Nakakakuha naman si Leon.
We done yet?
Afraid not. We've got one more job. A giant water bouncer with a broken mouth. For it?
Kaso ngayon, nagsasalita lang ako ng sandali. Kaya wag mo na ako magsalita ngayon.
Autobahn Octofeed.
Maybe I ought to take this one. No. Do it.
Yan o. Ang ganda naman yung nakakatunan. Hanggang
Job well done, Leon.
Ganun naman niya Leon.
Thanks, Corin. But you're right. This is way harder than video games. Do you mind if I quit?
I'm surprised you lasted this long.
Okay, little bro, here we go. Final battle against Dr. Autobahn Octofeed. You ready? Leon?
Tignan mo. Hanggang lang, makukunog na. Ayan, nakukunog siya.
Don't tell me you're asleep already. You don't even work.
Yung dumi, nakakadiri naman yan.
I'm the Nissan Kids Channel sa Free TV.
So we begin our battle heroes.
Mag-iisang bayan ng anim.
Ito na yung mga kinakanood ko, kayo ayoko yung mga ko, kayo ang kaso lang kinakanood ko yung mga isang mga anime. Tulad ng One Punch Man, yan, My Hero Academia. Hindi ko kayo nakakanood. Yan. Ito na, may ginawa na akong bagong episode. Ito na oh. Ayan. So, may kinakanan na ako ngayon. Kaso lang, tignan mo. Ito na si Zeke. Magsisimula sa kanya lang natin mag-text yung cellphone ni Zeke. Ayan, nag-text na.
Whoa, 600 messages.
You know? Wow. Tignan mo si Zeke. Ang dami ng reklamo.
You say something?
Ha?
Sable?
Tignan mo nakakakuha yung kakin, you know?
I won't get to see any
Tignan mo.
today.
Oh my God, tignan mo si Zeke. Kawawa naman.
Not sure I belong. Why don't you just come up with something else to do? There is nothing else. People have pets other than dogs, you know. If you want to cuddle
Ah.
just other jobs you can do.
Ang galing naman, no?
Don't get wrong. I'm a sucker for sloth. Are they really known
Wow.
for their acrobatics?
Ang galing naman, no?
Right? It'll be great.
Pero ang astig naman yung kinakanan ko ngayon. Kaso ngayon. Guys, mag-shoutout kayo sa mga account. Katulad ng kaklase ko si Clint.
Maybe he just needs a little.
Si Clint ko, yung kaklase ko, mag-shoutout ka sa account niya.
The job for me.
Yan.
Guys,
Nakunan ko
I
ngayon.
love buddy sitting.
Kahit lang kinakanan ko ngayon.
Really nice idea to have sweet
Wow,
together.
ang naman, no? Sige.
Bunnies are super
Tignan mo,
social.
cute.
That's kind of my point. They tend to multiply. Sopranos are here. Bears on this side.
Yan ang ganda naman, no?
Not listening.
Ang ganda naman. Oh.
My life flashing before my eyes. Didn't take very long. Sorry, Zeke. Our ideas were lame. No, it's my fault.
Yan, no?
Truth is, there's just one job I'm good at. And that's
Marami na akong nakakanan na ganito, pero wala naman ganito, pero
what?
kinagkakako ko lagi. Inagay ko sa InShot. Ito ang ending niya. Okay, guys. Hindi na magsalita. Ayan. Ito na yung kakalaskas niya.